Tired of your Tableau dashboards looking wonky because of messy data? Today, I'm going to show you how to clean your data right inside Tableau, turning that chaos into clarity in just a few easy steps. First, open Tableau and connect to your data source. Head over to the data source page, where you can preview your data. Look for any immediate red flags like inconsistent capitalization, extra spaces, or misfielded data. Tableau's data interpreter is your secret weapon. Give it a click. It can automatically identify headers and remove unnecessary rows, cleaning up common formatting issues for you. Now, let's rename those generic field names. Double-click on any column header to give it a descriptive and meaningful name. This will make your analysis much easier later on. Time to tackle those combined fields. Right-click on a column containing combined information, like city and state, and select Split. Tableau can automatically separate these based on common delimiters, like commas or spaces. Finally, let's deal with missing values and data transformations. Create a calculated field. Here, you can use functions to replace nulls with a default value, perform calculations, or even convert data types. The possibilities are endless. Once you're done cleaning, jump over to your worksheet and start building those beautiful, accurate visualizations.